Nagpupo na naman sa loob ng bahay. Naku, alam ko, nakakainis talaga. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. I've been an animal welfare advocate for close to 25 years. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Nagpupo na naman sa loob ng bahay. Alam ko, nakakainis talaga. Pero ito ang hindi sinasabi nila. Pag pinagalitan mo yung dog after, wala na silang naiintindihan. Dogs learn by timing. Pag tapos na ang mali na ginawa nila at saka mo sila sitahin, ang malilearn lang niya sa'yo ay matakot sa'yo. Hindi yan matututo na magpati sa labas kung nagagalit ka. Ano mas effective? Observe patterns. After eating, after sleeping, or after play, ilabas mo siya. Dapat consistent. Dapat may routine. And pag tama ang ginawa niya, doon ka mag-praise. Sabihin mo, "Uy, very good dog!" Calm praise ha, hindi OA. Always remember, consistency teaches faster than punishment. Share mo to sa may puppy para makaiwas ng frustration.